Alright, back with some more Mandalorian armor. Whew. This is the Koska Reeves ab, chest, breast armor, you would call it. The cool thing is I sell this where it's painted like this, which is the Night Owl blue with weathering. This is 3D printed. That is resin printed on right there. And then this has a matte clear coat with the weathering. You can find us at 3dbeowulf.com. The cool thing is I sell this where it's non-painted too. Both parts take about 2 to 3 weeks once you place your order that they get shipped out. But then you could paint it any color you want. So if you want to make your own custom build, you can. The Bo-Katan set of this is completely different looking. It is not identical, so that's something to know when you're into purchasing one of these. But it's really cool. It's all ready to go. So if you're wanting to cosplay as her or just want to make your own custom one using the same color, makes life really easy. And this is just a really nice pieces, all ready to go. And you can find us at 3dbeowulf.com. Now when you go on the website, if you don't see something on there, make sure you send me a message on my website and then tell me what you're looking for. I can let you know if I can do it, and if I can give you a quote, time frame, and when you could see receiving it, because there's just a whole bunch of stuff that I do. A lot of stuff I get sold before I can ever get on the website. And there's just so much stuff I can build. It's literally, it's a lot of work, but I can make it happen. And I'm your one-stop shop for your Mandalorian armor. I guess you could say I'm an armorer, like in the Mandalorian series, because I am busting out a whole bunch of different things. But this just shows you what this all looks like. And then if you're looking to upgrade your armor, I always look and see what people are posting and what they have, and always try to do the best as I possibly can on every build I do for people. And you're ready to go for your photo shoots, cosplay events, conventions, you know, whatever you're looking for. I am here to help and make your dreams come true of what you want to do. I just figured this share is an awesome piece. I'm really happy with it. Got the really good blue that really matches what the Night Owl is supposed to do. And you want to have it really, not crazy weathered, but definitely making it look like this armor was used in battle. You don't want to have something that looks brand new, like a car. You want it to look like it's been used. Just makes your costume just look so much better when you have it where it's weathered and all prepared. So make sure you check out 3dbeowulf.com. This is the way.